Hello guys, so ngayon po tayo ay nagbabalik na naman sa Roblox video gameplay na naman po natin mga tropa. At kung tutusin tayo po ngayon ay nasa Fish Eat mga tropa, Fish Eat po tayo for now. Ang base lang ng game na to is para mangangawi lang mga tayo, like magagamit tayo ng fishing rod to rod the fish. And yun, and isasalata natin siya before natin siya makuha. So yun. And what are we trying to do? And I'm back guys. Ito na ayos na, nagbag lang yung game ha. Nagbag lang siya. And now, from now on, we're going to rod na. Perfect agad oh. Perfect agad yung ano natin dito sa fish eat na. Okay. Ay, kailangan natin mag-click ng fast. Okay. I see. And yun, ano natin. Makukuha na natin yung yung clownfish agad yung nakuha natin. What a nice fish though. And then shiny yellow damselfish. Oh, I see. Parang may to parang mas maganda ata to kaysa dun sa clownfish. Shiny siya It means mas mahal siya, 'di ba? Sell held item. Okay. Sell na natin para sure. And by here is, or for here is, bili tayo ng isang rod, yung lucky rod. Kaya naman natin siya. Afford naman natin yung lucky rod. Okay. So we're going here naman. Wait lang, nalilito pa ako sa mga places dito dito naman tayo. Ano to? Dito tayo sa mga baits. Bili tayo ng mga baits. Yung baits is parang siya automatic mo na mahuhuli yung when you place the baits underwater. Automatic na yung mahuhuli yung mga fish. Which is good. So yeah. Yung top water bait You walk away. Equip new bait. Okay. Nasa items ko lang siya guys. Don't worry. Medyo nalilito pa ako dito sa game na to. Actually parang nagbabag tayo kanina Yung lakad natin is parang nagfa-float lang. Okay, we can spawn the boat. Okay, but we don't have boat pa So, that muna for now. Okay lang. Hindi perfect yung natin, yung pagkakalaglag ng But it's okay lang for me. Sabagay, baguhan pa lang naman tayo. Azura Damsel. Ito Mas mas mura to kaysa dun sa shiny. Amazing. So, kaya to nakuha natin sa amazing. We got the herring fish. Okay na naman. Diyos ko po. Pangit na naman ito. Nice. Azura Damsel again. So, yeah. Perfect. Ito na yan. Mas maganda siguro yung fish ngayon. Okay, tapagad natin. Kailangan fast yung tap natin yung click. Yun na din yun Tap and click are only one naman Garfish. This one is good too. Okay. Okay, clownfish. Ano pa pwede natin mga makuha dito? Is there a pufferfish ba or something? Pufferfish or shark or piranha? Wala ba dito? Clownfish naman yung nakuha ko You got clownfish. Yeah, I got clownfish. Yellow damselfish. Parang bago to Pero hindi siya rare, katulad nung kanina. Ano siya more on common talaga yung mga lumalabas ngayon. Clownfish are sucks. Bakit kasi yun yung mga lumalabas? Okay, shiny bandit. Yun! Angelfish. Mukhang rare tong isang to This one was rare, I guess. I thought it was rare. Hindi pala. Common fish lang din pala siya, guys. Clownfish. Okay. Ito. May kasama ako dito. Yun mukhang parang itong isang to Level lang ata ako What's my level ba? Level 1 or 2? I can't see it. Level 4. Okay, level 4. Okay, farm lang tayo na farm. I think yung isang yun is pawn na eh. Pawn na ata yung isang yun. Okay. Ito pa. Ayan, Azura Damsel again. 0.6 kg lang. Mura na siguro mga 50 pesos lang ata yun eh. Okay, Ghost. Azura Damsel. Oh, 0.56. Mas maano pa siya. Mas magaan, of course. Ba't po Azura Damsel yung mga lumalabas dito? Ang basic naman oh. O Azura Damsel na naman. Ay naka. Wala na bang rare fish dyan? Guys, umaasa na lang ako po Azura Damsel. So yan, mag-sell muna tayo. Let's see if makakuha naman tayo ng mga ng madaming coins. We need to save more coins, guys. We need to accumulate coins. Okay, 778 coins. Okay, may 1k na agad tayo. 1.34k. Which is 1,340k. Oo nga, tama. 1,340 pesos agad yung meron tayo. Okay. This one is good too. And how about here? Ang dami kasi mga dito. Ang dami kasi mga event na pwedeng puntaan. Yan, may classic event dun. Click to Easter Road. To Castor Road. Okay. Can't click it eh. Wheelchair or bait. I can't equip it. I can't equip it. How can I equip that bait? Hindi ko talaga alam, guys. Wala bro, na-equip ko na yung lock rod eh. Yung lock rod. Kaso mabilis siya makuha. O yan, yun yung may bota. Hula ko next level na ata yung yung isa dito. Si Jupri 095. Next level na may isang player dito. Next level na ata yung kumag na isang yun eh. Morine Bene. So utility star. So what are we going to do with this? Where are we going ba? I'm still confused kung saan tayo pupunta. I'm still overwhelming about this. Nakaka-overwhelm yung mga places Carbon Rod. Gusto ko sana bilhin yung Carbon Rod eh. Kasi yung luck niya is 30%, speed niya is 4%, and yung weight niya is 20 kg. Ito, bilhin na kaya natin. What if maganda tong card na ito? Malay nyo, makakuha tayo ng mga new fish dito. Tas mga rare pa, diba? I want rare fish, guys. I want rare fish. Hoping to get rare fish. Rare fish nga. I get clownfish again. Visit. Got a clownfish again. Clownfish also. Nothing changed. Always being like that. Jeez. Talk to the lava fisherman. I mean, yung achievement tayo. Visit Kohana Volcano. For 200 coins. And how about this one? 1 coin? Wala yung nakalagay sa baba eh. I'm still confused about that. New species found. Teach me Gobi. Ano tong 13 minutes and 56 seconds. I think we have an update for this eh. Mahina ba yung voice ko, guys? Mahina ata yung voice ko eh. Watanabe angelfish. Should we do about that? So guys, sinahan ko lang yung video, yung voice record natin. Kasi may tulugan kasi dito, guys. Ako na lang nag-iingay. So yeah. Ako yung lock natin is 2. Okay. Ang nakasulat ata dun is of course eh. Oh, there's a rooster. There was a chicken here. Sorry. So yan guys, tap lang tayo. Farming muna tayo ha. Fish farm muna tayo for now ha. Wala eh. We need to kawel. No, 14 click lang. Nakuha ko na. Ay, herring fish bago to. I think this one is new. This one is new, I guess. This is new. Clownfish, lame though. Freaking lame. I don't wanna lame. Pygmy Gobby. Yun, may nakuha na tayo. Yung achievement unlock, bro. And, hello, I'm back. And minakuha tayong ano to? Minakuha tayong rare eh. Minakuha akong rare, guys. Itong flame angel fish. Which is new and which is strange. Unique and popular, I guess. Popular fish? The fridge. So, minakuha tayong flame angel fish. This is different than mas different siya sa bandit angel fish. I think mas rare pa nga siya eh. Even though the bandit angelfish has the mass of 2.5 kg, more than to 1.42 kg. So yan. Kaya po tama na yung grammar ko dun ha. Don't mind the grammar, bro. Just mind the words. And I know na maintindihan nyo naman yung words ko even though I'm saying the wrong grammar. We haven't had choice about that. So yeah. So, for now is wala. Puro lang tayo. Puro accumulate na ng mga fish, then benta. Parang lang siya. Parang, kumbaga nag-ano tayo. Fish and sell farming. Ganon. Fish and sell. Ganon. So, yan. Ang dami ko palang pygmy, ano yun? Pygmy gummy? Pygmy gobby? Okay. Gobby. So, where are we going to go? Where are we gonna go now? Oh. Ano ba yung earn natin? Okay, I see. If we're pwede tayo mag-implode doon. Not implode, pwede tayo mag-drown. So yeah. So, okay. Pwede bumili isang boat, small boat. 300 pesos, but kailangan ko pati mag-ipon, guys eh. So yeah, we're going to tap this again. Kailangan natin mag-ipon ng for fish natin, guys. Pygmy gummy again. Pygmy gummy. Pygmy gobby. Nalilito pa din ako sa pagbasa. Okay. 14 tap lagi eh. How many click ba? How many click do we had? Okay. Someone's leaving na. As you can see, palis na siya. Hello, bro. I'm pretty sure na na yung pangawil ko, Akala ko naipit na sa mo eh. Akala ko naipit na sa boat niya. Buti hindi nagkakagano na. Buti hindi siya 3D yung pagkakagawa sa game na to. Buti pa kaya pang lumusot ng fishing rod. Compare kasi sa ibang game na na different talaga and unique. For our badge awarded is Fish Ateliers 50 catches. Jay? Naka 50 catches agad tayo. Ang dami agad nating achievement for one episode pa lang. Parang pang episode 3 na ata to eh. Joke lang. Kasi alam ko mga episode 3 dapat pro na tayo dito eh. Pro na tayo. Hindi na dapat tayo noob. I don't wanna be a noob. We need to be pro again. Be pro as long as makapaglaro tayo ng ganito. So for here is wala ka benta ko na. Ang dami ko na nakuha ang fish, guys. 50, hindi lang ata 50 ito eh. 50 plus pa ata ito eh. Yeah, for 964 I will. Okay, so 1,716k na tayo. Ang ganda, gagi. So at least nakakapag-ipon man nun tayo konting pera man lang. May lucky chart dito. Kaso hindi ako makakapag-chart ngayon eh. Because I don't have Robux. Hindi naman kami nag-Robux guys. We don't need that thing. So for the view shop is, ano ba pwede tayo mag-view dito sa shop na to? For the mystery is, mystery, shiny totem, something else. Wala, hindi pa nag-spread out yung mga fishes dito, I guess. Or kanina pa sila nag-spread out. Kasi unlimited fish naman natin na dito sa sea eh. Yeah, I'm sure hindi naman nauubusan dito. So guys, ano pa bang goal natin? Ito ba yung goal natin? Yung talk to the lava fisherman and visit Kohana Volcano? Is this our goal? Kasi I'm still confused eh. Wala akong parang wala naman changes dito eh. Parang static yung game na to eh. Static instead of dynamic. Parang more static to eh. Kasi parang no changes, no purposes, and no something. No guide. Only fiction. Hindi, fiction naman talaga to eh. Pero based on a true story din nata to. Lul, based on a true story daw. Yung may arrow. There's an arrow. So we have an arrow. So yung arrow na yun natin yung direction papunta sa lava fisherman and also sa Kohana Volcano. Ay, oo nga, Kohana yun oh. That's the place. We need to buy a boat. Yes, we need to buy a boat. A freaking boat. Doon tayo sa mukha guys para hindi agad tayo mabusan. And how could we place the boat? How can we place the boat? The present tense, how can we place the boat? How can I place this? How to place this guys? This is the baits. Hindi ko na nga nagamit yung baits guys eh. Kasi ayaw naman mag-release dun sa items natin. Ayaw ma-equip. Always staying at our item, at our inventory. Wala guys. Talagang wala. GG's. Ay, ito spawn boat. Okay. Tama ba? Hindi ko may spawn eh. Can I spawn the boat? Or are we going to swim na lang? Hindi, sayang naman kasi yung boat eh. Okay, let's swim na lang. We don't have choice. We don't have any choice, guys. I had no choice. And I'm back again, guys. And kung makikita niyo po, nasa Kohana Village na po tayo mga tropa. Dito sa Kohana Volcano. Dito na tayo pupunta eh. I think nasa loob ng volcano yung lava fisherman. Kasi nga lava. So I'm pretty sure the lava fisherman was still inside. Sana nandun pa nga siya. So, why are we going there? Ano ba? What for? For what? For what reason? What for reason? Hey, I think I've reached the lava. Kasi may kulay red na yung background eh. Yeah, this is the lava. Oh, ito yung loob ng volcano. Kung tutusin dapat technically dapat paso na tayo dito. Yeah, paso na tayo dito truthfully. Truthfully, dapat paso na tayo dito. Okay. So, yeah. At least the lava fisherman was still here. Wait a minute. If I got the lava rod, ibig sabihin ba, may mga isda din sa loob ng lava? Ang weird din ng game na to ah. Halatang fictional na eh. Fictional na talaga yung mismong game na to eh. What? Sa lava nga? Sa lava nga. The heck? Oh, yeah, in the lava nga. So, ano yung makuha natin dito? Volcanic Baslet. Oh, at least new. New achievement and new species found. Diba? Yun yung index natin for now. Oh. Ang our goal for the day sa quests natin is catch vintage damsel and yun, may nakuha tayo vintage damsel and catch 3 rare fish. 3 rare fish. We need 3 rare fish. For 1k coins. And yun sa 100 coins lang eh. Walang kwenta. Ay, hindi ba rare yun? I think this is not rare pa eh. Big lava butterfly. Okay. I get that. I got it. So, dito nga tayo mag-ano. So, dahil mahaba-haba na tong video na to, I have to put the end. Yun, namatay nga tayo. Namamatay tayo if sa lava tayo mapunta. Pero sa tubig, drowning lang. So, I think I'm gonna put an end to this video muna. Dito naman na magtatapos ang ating munting presensya, ating presence. So, I'm gonna put an end here. So, sana ayos magkita-kita pa tayo next time. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Ingat lagi.